dude, this is cool. Watching these index racers run neck and neck right at the 8th, that's badass.
Did not expect the truck to do a wheelie.
Wow, wow. He let off like right about there.
Hopefully somebody got that shot. Rolls in through the beat. And yeah, just go ahead and ride on down through there. Swing it
I know one thing's for sure, I'm not coming back next year without a scooter. Same time.
That's insane.
Exact same.
Wow.
I think the GT3 RS is lady driven. That's pretty cool. It's actually been a really good race. The difference between the people on that side of the fence and us on this side of the fence is that we're on this side of the fence. That was one of the loudest cars I've ever heard in my life.
What was that? I can't even imagine holding on to that car that long. Like, you're just closing your eyes and praying.
Run what you run.
We don't care.
You brought it up.
And then you have me, the real horsepower. I don't know if my heart stopped, if it's still going. Jeez.
I thought this was supposed to be Street Car Takeover.
I'm an experienced sleeper.
My body hurts. Six-second quarter-mile pass in a street car.
Yeah, street car.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
think
been on the street before.
Yeah, to get here. All right, we are back on the road from our trip from Mexico last night. We're a little tired. It was a little bit of a trip back, but we're back at it again, and we are going to go get ourselves some grub so we can start the day off right and check out what's going on at the track.
Gotta feed yourself first.
That's a rule. We live by it.
We're at breakfast on day 3, our last and final day. Looking forward to seeing some roll racing.
We're looking forward to this biscuit.
Yeah, we're starving, so we'll check in with you when we got some food, and see you then.
I know I told you all biscuits, but man, the French toast is good here.
We got an MR2 in the shop too, so it's right next to another car that we're interested in.
We put a can of ours.
Oh, yeah.
Is this a 20 or a 24?
24.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
You like it?
Working out pretty good.
How big's the turbo?
68, I think.
Okay, we got a 62.
Did it for ventilation for the time being. It works.
For sure.
Size.
Heck yeah, dude. K-swapped MR2, he's rolling out 130 miles an hour in the roll racing. That's pretty good trap speed. Next to, oh my goodness, a Whipple F-150. You're probably not into this type of thing at all, are you, man?
I don't like these trucks.
I love this wing. This guy means business. Lexan windows, TH400 truck, or Power Glide. Built motor, bam. I love New Edge Mustangs. So does Matt, don't get me wrong. You see those a lot more than you see SN95s though. This SN95 is a beauty.
I love this actually.
Another beautiful SN95. Beautiful SN95. Can't wait to get working on ours. Killing it. That's not how these cars are typically quickest.
Come a long way.
Dude. These guys do some crazy work. I have never seen wraps that look this good.
Making me tingly.
It actually makes me kind of consider wrapping a
Yeah,
car.
it looks fantastic. I can't believe it.
I've never considered wrapping a car before. We looked at this Mercedes yesterday. It probably doesn't show up on camera, but it pops like it's like electrified somehow. Like it's like ran by a battery. It's so bright. Oh my God, dude. The Escalade V.
So please, Mr. Scott.
Never seen one in person, so I'm asking you blue cars. That's it. That's what it's all about. That's it.
Finally found.
Wow.
So thank
Love a good 4-mount swap. I've always wanted to do one. Never had the chance. Did you ever imagine in your wildest dreams be crushing fresh Chick-fil-A sandwiches at the racetrack?
I just wish I could get them without the pickle.
You know what? We'll have to make a recommendation next time. This is a clean setup. I like all the black. Looks good in there.
Jonathan, take your ID to the front gate and come see us.
Heck yeah, dude. Good luck.
I like those wheels.
Bakery, King of the Bakery, you are on standby. King, just got a call down from the lane. When we go back to the bakery, you will.
Matt and I got media passes.
We are real media now, and I'm terrible at the camera.
The media passes are called wearing a black shirt. Doesn't have it. Nice job, Justin. Excited for that lineup, but they didn't even try.
Right there. BMW, Justin Smith. Left side.
Give me a rerun.
Let's go, Justin. Justin had the mile per hour on him all day long.
Track at 162, he's at 142, so if I get a better start, I can take him.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Left side of the track.
Thanks,
Go
man.
put in work, dog.
This is wild roll race class.
Final contestant.
Oh yeah, me and Jeff in the finals.
Wow, here we are.
Default.
King of the bakery.
King of the Bakery Finals, 2025. Street
Who's
Car
it gonna be?
Takeover.
Who's it gonna be? The twin-turboed R8 or the twin-turboed Huracán?
Jeff is pushing closer to 1800. He's got us by quite a bit of horsepower, but to finish first you must finish. So we'll
That's
see what
right.
happens.
Might have to driver mod him.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. You're killing it out there today.
Thanks, Alex. We did all the beans. We did all the beans.
Matt got us parked with all the other similar cars.
Twin turbo Lambo.
Exotic parking only.
Bro, that, yeah.
Hard to believe the Frenco sponsored Burnout is this route. Look at this. One Texas. Pretty rowdy.
Old mullet man knows how to do a burnout.
Yeah, they lied to us. It's not 354.
piston coolant basically from the start of the burnout, and he kept in it and lasted about a minute.
Coming out.
All right, so kind of cool. We actually get to see what this car looks like, because when it came out to do a burnout, it pretty much completely hid itself in the cloud it made. All right, we're getting gas at the gas station and we are hitting the road back. We saw a lot of crazy shit.
Wonderful day, beautiful sunshine, beautiful weather. Saw some amazing cars. It was just an absolute blast.
We're worn slick, so we're just gonna hit the road. But thanks for following along. We had a ton of fun doing this one. We'll see you at the next event.
Thanks everybody for joining us for Street Car Takeover, and that's a wrap.